A drop of grace.
So good morning. We are starting our weekend off with laundry going and a special surprise delivery of fresh donuts. So this mama doesn't have to cook breakfast on a Saturday morning, which is always nice. Just getting laundry going and getting ready for some other fun adventures, and hopefully we will get to check out the fair this evening and see the tractor pull. I know little man has waited and would love it. So that's the plan. We'll see if we get all our chores done. So far I haven't even got makeup on or contacts in, but hey, we'll get there, right?
Hello.
So we like blessings, and this was a sweet blessing. Did you like your sweet blessing with sprinkles? Is that fun? Is that a good surprise? Look at that face. Look at that face. He loves sprinkled donuts. So for breakfast, sprinkled donuts it is. What do you think? What's your favorite? The chocolate or the strawberry? Which one?
The strawberry.
Strawberry. And then what? Chocolate? Do you always have to have sprinkles?
Yeah.
Yeah. What's your favorite?
Glazed.
Glazed
Strawberry.
and strawberry.
Hey, I like
What is
strawberry.
Belle's favorite?
Chocolate with sprinkles.
Which one?
Chocolate with sprinkles.
Chocolate with sprinkles.
Get
And Mommy loves them all. So it is lunchtime and we are doing something special today. They are baking. What are you baking?
Pizza!
What are you baking, bro? Pizza! What are you gonna put on yours?
Sauce.
No, I meant toppings.
Sauce is a topping.
Okay. I thought it was mandatory.
No.
So what are you putting on yours though? Ham or
Sauce.
pepperoni or pineapple or just cheese?
Pineapple and cheese.
Ooh, we're missing cheese. I need to get that out. Bro, what are you putting on?
Ham.
And what else? What else?
Pepperoni.
And pepperoni? You want both? And pineapples?
Yep.
What about you?
I'm putting on everything but cheese.
Ew, that's not good. You want cheese.
Fine.
Or maybe not. But anyways, we are going to make some pizza for lunch. You can eat your pizza, y'all. How did your pizza turn out? Look how yummy.
But
Your own pizzas look wonderful. It's not too hot. Belle's already eating some of hers. Is it good, Belle?
Mhm.
So, did you like your recipe? Are you going to try something different next time?
Yeah.
Gracie, what about yours? What do you think?
Wow, that's a lot of cheese. So great.
I heard that he had a cheese incident.
He did.
Is it good? Gracie's looks really cheesy too.
But that was on purpose.
I know. You would want extra cheese. What do you think? Is it good? Yeah? Do we need other ingredients next time to try and play with? Or do we like
That's
what we
why
have?
we're not going to do pizza because I accidentally used all of the cheese.
I heard you did. I saw both bags were gone, but they were pretty empty to begin with. So it was yummy?
Yeah.
Yay, pizza success. We might have to open a family pizzeria.
No.
I'm just happy to see some happy faces making their pizzas. So the cat adoption is going to trial phase for 30 days, and we have set up a little cat sanctuary at the top of our steps. So hopefully there'll be some gates. So hopefully this will be a nice little safe spot, and our new friend will like it here. We shall see how it goes. The girls are excited, little man's excited. They're fixing to go make dog treats for Toby right now. So now we are making, what are we making, guys?
Dog treats that whenever the cat arrives, Toby doesn't feel jealous.
So what kind of treats? What's in each of these treats? Is yours peanut butter?
Lacey, I've almost made 6.
What does yours have? Beef
I don't
broth?
know. Yeah, I think that's it.
Okay.
Mine has
What does it smell?
Disgusting.
What is yours?
peach
Is
yogurt.
it yogurt?
I actually put that one upside down.
It's fine.
Awesome. How do you think it's turning out?
But
And then what do you
Okay,
do with
switch.
them? Hey, what are you all gonna do with them?
we're gonna put
Freezer.
them in the freezer.
So you have to freeze them?
Yeah.
How's it going, bro? Tell me about yours.
Mine's doing good.
Is it sticky?
So like
Is it hard?
you do 4 and then let him do 4 because he really wants to do that one.
How's yours going, Gracie?
Good.
Are you gonna need more yogurt?
Yeah.
Maybe.
We're gonna need more
Just
of that.
fill it halfway, it says. It says not a full cube. What do you think, bro? Did you put your treat in with it yet?
No, because it's not half.
It's not ready yet.
Full. It's
Okay.
halfway full.
It's halfway full.
Need some more peanut butter.
Oh, okay. What do you think, Belle?
Have to put them in perfectly because this is liquid. I want purple peanut butter.
Purple peanut butter?
Mhm.
Why?
Because I like red and purple.
Red and
Yeah.
Did you? What is on your arm? Did you try to draw hearts on your arm? Yeah. Good thing they're washable markers, huh? And we talked about where do markers go?
On paper. Jinx, show me Dr. Pepper.
Well, we're having a fun afternoon, and hopefully 3 hours from now, when this recipe is frozen, we will have one happy dog. And we thought about, we have little goodie bags. We were thinking about delivering some to some of our friends who have doggies too, to see if their doggies like our treats as well. So we did a thing. What did we do, Belle?
Got a cat.
Just needs to stay out for him to say.
Oh, yeah.
And what's his name?
Maddox.
Maddox.
Can you move?
Bro, what'd we get?
A cat named Maddox.
A cat named Maddox. What do you think? He's trying to get back in. He's like, how do I get back in there? I know I was in there. He says, wait. How is in there?
Maddox. Don't whistle for a cat.
Maddox.
That's a dog.
Maddox. Oh, you see your water? Look.
Buddy.
Nathan.
Oh, giving him some love, buddy.
Don't pick him up.
Oh.
He's like a snuggly.
He is a snuggly.
A moving
All right,
snuggly.
let the moving snuggly down. So the surprise is revealed. Where are we at and what are we doing, Belly?
We're at the fair and we're going to be watching the tractor pull.
Yes,
Is
we're
that
at the
what it's called?
yes, we're at the county fair headed to the tractor pull.
here for days. It's very loud and I'm tired.
What do you think, bro? Were there fire? Is there fire coming out? Yeah.
That's because it has the fire picture on it.
Yeah. Is it loud? So, Grace, are we staying till the end?
What?
Are we staying till the end?
Yes.
Well, it is, I don't know, close to after 11, maybe close going on midnight. I'm not even sure. But we are finally home. Little man passed out and had to be carried back and then never woke up. So I stripped him down and he is sleeping in his crib and hopefully dreaming sweet dreams. And I'm fixing to go check on the littles in their room to see how they are. I keep seeing little paws at the bottom of their door because they want their new little friend, Maddox, to sleep with them. Let's see if I can get him again. Oh, there. Oh, yeah, look. We'll see how much sleep they get, and hopefully I will be asleep in the next 5 or 10 minutes, but I really need to grab a shower first, so we will see. I don't know. I'm hoping maybe a quick shower and then sleep. But they had so much fun. They loved the tractor pulls. They loved getting to see the trucks, which was only a bonus because, let's be honest, we walked all the way back to the car and then realized that we were not just double parked, but triple parked in, and we weren't going to be going anywhere for a while. So we went back and made an evening of it, and it was super fun. So, this crazy, crazy hair.
Drop of grace.
Oh, someone wanted to come say it with you. What was that, Bill?
A drop of grace.
Time for bed, y'all.